Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make beet salad. This beet salad has goat cheese and an orange balsamic dressing, and let me tell you, it is absolutely delicious. To start, you'll need to peel and cube 3 large beets, and since beets stain your hands and pretty much everything else you're working with, it's a good idea to use gloves. I'm going to pour my beets into a steamer and let them steam until tender, which will take about 12 to 15 minutes. Now, there are lots of different ways to steam beets. I'm using a steamer, and I'll include other options in the video description. While the beets are steaming, we're going to put together our orange balsamic dressing. You'll need a 1/4 cup each of freshly squeezed orange juice, extra virgin olive oil, and balsamic vinegar. And then you'll also need 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk this together. This dressing is super simple. If you like things on the sweeter side, you can also add in a teaspoon or 2 of sugar. Set that aside and let's put together our salad. I have 5 ounces of salad greens here in my bowl, and I'm going to top it with about 4 ounces of crumbled goat cheese. Give that a little bit of a toss so the goat cheese gets dispersed throughout the lettuce leaves. And then you can either add on cooled beets or you can serve them up warm. Just slide the beets right on there onto the salad. Then we'll just pour the dressing on, give it a toss, and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.